Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am going to solve the third exercise of chapter 5 which we had discussed in previous video. So in this exercise we have to generate a function and take list as an argument, and we have to print the reverse order of the augmented list. So first let's create the augmented list. So we have list 1 is the augmented list which contain the 5 elements 3 and 9. So list 1 is our augmented list, and then we have to create a function. So the name of the function, I am calling it reverse because we are returning the reverse order of list 1, and so it takes list as an argument. So I write the augmented variable L here. So in order to return the list as a function, we have to create an empty list. So list 2 is our empty list which we will return at the last of the function. Now in order for adding the reverse element, I have to generate a for loop. So I am using range function, and then under the range function I am running the loop at the length of the augmented list. So I can write here under the length function, I write here L. So L is the argument variable. So the loop will execute at the length of the augmented list. Now, so first I write the syntax and then I will explain it. So what we are doing here, as we already discussed in previous videos, that pop method returns the last element of our list. So first we know that it will return 9. So L is the augmented list, so it will return 9. So as 9 is stored in last variable, and then we are adding last variable in list 2. So 9 at the first position we have 9, and soon the loop will execute one by one. All the elements from the at the reverse order will be adding in list 2. So when it reaches to 1, the for loop will break, and then we can return list 2. Now so I can call the function here reverse list 1. So list 1 we are giving as an argument, as we discussed earlier that list 1 is our augmented list. So as I run this program, you can see the order of the list 1 is reverse in the form of list 2. So I hope you understand this program. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.